Hey everybody, welcome to Whyde Family Farm. Today I'm going to do just a little video growing in unusual containers. Someone else, might have been Big Blue House Homestead, did something with this, with growing inside of a boot. We're going to grow inside of a goldfish container from our son. See how it goes. I went ahead and took the top and trimmed down the sides here and fold those in. And just simply poke some holes in the bottom so it has some drainage. I'm going to fill that up with soil. We have an abundance of pepper plants, and peppers are always something we use all throughout the year, so we're going to try to grow another pepper plant in here. They say peppers like to have their roots crowded. We'll see how crowded. It's not a very big container, but we'll give it a shot and see what happens. Water this in once we get it in here. I figured, what the heck, we're running out of places to plant things. And I saw this get emptied the other day, and I said, I'm going to save that and try to grow a pepper plant in it. Like, what's the worst that could happen, right? There it is. And I've seen lots of neat containers people have been using, and shed wars grow in. Thought this was kind of a neat idea. They get one more use before it goes to the landfill, at least. It really can't be recycled, I don't believe, because it has a foil lining in it. So at least it'll get one more use before it goes. We just stuck it here with the rest of our pepper plants. This is actually, you know, when you go to the grocery store and you buy those little sweet peppers, the kind of long, skinny ones. Courtney likes to slice them open with the cream cheese and the everything bagel mix. These are actually seeds saved from those peppers, and they've done really well. So we're going to see what we end up with. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day in the garden.